Okay, so today we're going to discuss tactical pens, tacticool or tacticrap. Now, we're going to compare this to the Kubaton keychain here I've got here. We all know how functional that is. What I'm going to accomplish today to see if this light-ass pen will work just as well. I'm going to hit it with the writing implement end and then the pointy end. See how it goes. If I can get this in one take. Alright, so not a lot of force. Got a decent hole in it. What I don't like about this is you can't put your thumb here. Alright. So, alright, now let's try the other end. Get a good grip on it. I kind of messed on that. Seems like the writing utensil side did better. Alright. Now next to Old Faithful here. Oh, dude. It wasn't a lot of force. I could put my thumb up here, which is cool. Got a good amount of penetration there. Guys, I don't know about the tactical pen. I don't really like them. That's quite a bit more force there. Let's give the pen another shot. Okay, right here. Actually kind of hurt my hand a bit. Yeah, fuck that. I'm calling tacticrap. Thanks for watching.